I need to make your porridge. Your special porridge.
Oh, what's special about this porridge?
Soya milk. Because Manaya has had an intolerance to dairy, and the intolerance causes her severe eczema. So when she was born, I think about 2 months after she was born, she literally started coming up with red rashes, and I took her to the doctors and I said it was eczema, and they gave us treatment that just didn't work. Anyways, it was a nightmare. It was very emotionally draining because her face became so red that it got infected. I had to take her to A&E a good few times. It was just heartbreaking seeing her suffer like that. Even now, just thinking about it, it's just triggering some emotion in me. But basically, because I purely breastfeed, and I think she wants breastfeeding now. But I've taken out dairy from my diet, so I've been breastfeeding for a year now. She's just turned one a couple of weeks ago, maybe about a week ago, and I've taken it out of my diet. So in the beginning, that was quite hard to do. I know that there's quite a few mums who have experienced the same thing. Every other mum that I meet, their baby has eczema. It's so common in the UK. It just comes to show that maybe we're just not made for cow's milk. It's gonna be that. So as you'll be able to see in a moment, that her skin has improved, or if you've noticed that just now, her skin has improved greatly because we went to eventually got a referral to the right specialist to help her with her skin. I'm going to do other videos on how to, because if your baby has eczema and you're in the early stages of eczema and you may be finding it difficult, especially if you've had a similar experience to me and you're in the UK, you may be having difficulty getting your GP to refer you to the right specialist. I'm going to do a video on that, on how you can get that to happen and persuade them to support you and help you, because it's just crazy how you have to push and fight to get the right referral sometimes. Anyways, so she eventually got to see the dermatologist, and since then her skin has really improved, thank God. So we're now, because she's turned 1, we're now using alternative milk, which is soy milk and oat milk and almond milk, coconut milk. But soy milk is quite good because it has the growing up milk for the right appropriate age, 1 to 3 years old, I think, and has the right amount of vitamins in there. So we're just trying her on that. Funny enough though, I took her to for an update for her allergies and her intolerances, and now it's showing up that she's not intolerant to milk. So we are going to slowly reintroduce dairy into my diet. We as a family don't drink full fat milk or dairy, but also in the past we have had cheese and, and lasagnas, pizzas. It has cheese in it, right? Crisps has cheese in it. I mean, not cheese, milk. Like, why would crisps have milk? Anyways, they're not right. So I will slowly reintroduce it into my diet, see how she responds through the breastfeeding. If she's fine and she's not having any flare-ups, then I'll slowly introduce it into her diet. But do get the specialist help and advice if you are going through eczema with your baby. I just want you to know that you are not alone. I will let me know in the comments below if you want me to create more videos about baby eczema and share my experience. Let me know if you want me to do that, and I will share more details of the struggles that I went through and how I overcome them, because obviously as a parent it's heartbreaking to see your baby go through so much pain, and you feel like you're powerless and there's not so much that you can do. But I can share with you how I actually overcame that, and what it is that the remedies that I used, the natural remedies and the medications that worked for Manaya. So essentially that's what we're up to right now. We are now on top of her eczema, so there is always a light in the tunnel, in the dark tunnel. There is a light, and trust me, we've been through it. So yeah, this is just a little bit of sharing here. I'm now going to make her some porridge. She seems to like the soy milk and the oat milk, so that's okay. But I must say, breast milk is her favourite at the moment, isn't it? Yes it is. But she's been very brave, very brave, haven't you? And look, her skin has really improved. She has a bit of a flare. Like, we took her swimming a couple of weeks ago, and she had a bit of a flare afterwards, but obviously, you know, just pointing at the camera. But other than that, it hasn't really flared up as badly as it did a few months ago. So that's a good sign that I think she could be growing out of the eczema. So we shall see, only time will tell. So yeah, that's just a little eczema vlog, I guess. Not structured at all, but if you have any questions about baby eczema, I'm just going to call it baby eczema, then leave it in the comments below. I will definitely answer them. Give a thumbs up if this has helped at all, and again, let me know. Just put in the comments yes if you want me to share more videos about eczema. And hopefully she won't break the lamp. About our journey and how we managed the eczema flare-ups. Big kiss. Mwah. Bisou. Bisou. Okay, I'm making her porridge. So this is like the Alpro grown up milk, soy milk, 1 to 3+ years. Leave a comment below if you use this as well. We've just started using it, so she seems to like it. We also use oat milk because we drink oat milk. I love oat milk. She really likes it, so I think I'm going to give her a bit of that during the day. Really lovely. And it's got the appropriate vitamins. Obviously you want protein, calcium, the vitamin C, vitamin D, all the goodness in there so that she doesn't miss out on that. And I'm just making her porridge now. Yummy. So just a little bit of milk. Just using a creamy porridge. So it'll be nice and creamy. And then I'm going to add some banana in there as well. Yummy, yummy. So no dairy for Manaya.